landruok ma midhusi ni mar corona. Ka odhi nyime riwruok jopuonj mag skunde primary osingo dhi nyime gi sundo duol mandiko jopuonj tich TSC mondo medgi osara gi kwan atamalo 60. Kolose boma ma Kitale County ma Trans Nzoia, jalup jagoro maduong' mar NAT Hesbon Otieno onyiso jatend migawo masomo ngire George Magoha mondo wedonjore weche osach jopuonj komedo ni jopuonj mana kaka jotich mamoko ni kod ratiro mar yudo osara makare.
Before you tell us that teachers are asking for 60%, which is too much, you stop spending the money from the government Ministry of Education carelessly by opening classes, which can be opened by any other person. The other day when we asked for 60%, he was the first one interviewed and he was saying, hiyo haiwezekani. It is not the work of Magoha to talk about collective bargaining. It is the work of Magoha to talk about policies and CBC and issues of education curriculum. The issues of salary increment, let it be left between the unions and the Teachers Service Commission.